Hi, welcome back to our series of modeling tutorials. Today we are going to see how to model these three shapes. I will select these shapes, grab them down, and scale them to make them smaller. Grab on Z-axis. I will add a cube. I will scale it. Let me turn on the screencast keys add-on so that you can see the keys I am pressing. I will tab into edit mode. I'm going to model this first shape. Into vertex select mode, I will select the 4 upper vertices and then Ctrl B for bevel. I will choose vertices in the appearing panel. Set the width type to %. It could be on any value here, but I will now set it to %. Then make it 50% so that they meet somewhere in the middle, and then increase a bit the number of segments. I will click to confirm and tab out of edit mode. This is the first shape. I will grab it here and scale it. I will now add the cube to model the second shape. Scale it. I will now tab into edit mode. Ctrl R for loop cuts. I will put 2 loop cuts, vertical ones. Click to confirm and then select this face, the middle upper face. Then press I for insert. I will confirm without moving the mouse. I will go to edge, select mode, select these 2 edges, and then go to edge, subdivide the ring, and then set the number of cuts to 11. I'll go into front view. Press 1. Let me move this. Tilt the view a bit and select this middle edge. I'll go back to camera view. I will now turn on the proportional editing, but keep the fall off to sphere. I will grab to Z axis. There. So I will tab out of edit mode and scale the cube. Place it here and then add another cube to model the last shape. I will scale it down. Grab it on Z-axis to give space. Now, for this one, I will go into edit mode, select this upper face and subdivide it a number of times. Let me subdivide it once, 2, 3. I will now go to vertex select mode and choose the middle vertex. I will now grab it on Z axis. Good, now I have a cube with a rounded top. I will tab out of edit mode and then I will shade smooth the three cubes, the three shapes. Shade smooth, shade smooth, shade smooth. I will go to the object data properties and choose auto smooth. Check auto smooth so that I have clear corners and smooth curved parts. Thank you. Here are our three shapes similar to these ones. So please continue to subscribe to get our future videos on upcoming tutorials. Thank you. Bye.